Say, it's not Christmas.
You like that song?
Yeah.
Okay. Silent night, holy night. I don't remember the words. Let's see, what else? What else can I
Tell him.
sing lullabies with Carrie.
Tell him, twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle little stars.
Twinkle,
Want
twinkle.
me to stop? Stop hurting your ears?
Sing. Sing.
Are you going Illinois?
Sing.
Telling you to sing.
Sing.
Sing Twinkle Star.
Sing Twinkle Stars.
Twinkle Star. You want to sing it to him?
Yeah.
Okay. Sing to Granddaddy.
Up, up, up. Water high again and in sky.
Are you singing the song too?
He can't hear you. You have to sing it louder to him, Kata. Sing Twinkle, Twinkle to Granddaddy. Sing it real loud.
Twinkle minute.
Say twinkle, twinkle.
Are you singing to me?
Sing again. He can't hear you. Kata, sing I love you to Granddaddy.
I am yellow. Yes, me.
We're a happy family. Careful. You're gonna hang
Talk
up
to
on
him. Don't hang up.
Granddaddy. Hmm? Hmm? I go right here, talk it. Here. I doing you, Granddaddy. 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 Don't talk in here. I forget.
The picture keeps turning off. She keeps saying it's dark out there. I fix it.
Tita.
Sing I love you to Kata.
Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. Sing too. Sing too. Sing too. Yeah. Now
Round.
you don't talk.
Now I get down and talk.
Yeah. Yeah. And then good. Granddaddy. What are you doing?
Are you rocking Granddaddy?
Huh?
Are you rocking him?